Good morning. Welcome to Vruksha's Open Day. The theme this year is the five elements of life. Basically, it is the basis of life. So that is our chosen theme for this year.
The children enjoyed working with each and every presentation that has been given to them.
They have learned many new things for the open day.
A much awaited event, and they really played with the scissors, glue, and everything. They thoroughly enjoyed the process.
ஐம்பூதங்களை கண்களாலும் காதுகளாலும் கேட்டிருப்போம். ஆனால் என் பள்ளி மாணவர்கள் இன்று அவற்றை நம் கண்முன் நிகழ்த்தப் போகிறார்கள். அவற்றை கண்டு களிப்போம் வாரீர்.
Come on, just explore the magic of Montessori education, and let's explore more.
बच्चे बहुत ही खुश और उत्साहित थे अपने प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से बहुत ही सही तरीके से अपने सारे प्रोजेक्ट को किया.
On my private elementary team, Sai and I Gayatri, Deepa, Vedati, Deepa, Abhi, Sujini, Krishna, Aishwarya, Geeta, Manimit, Hindi, Mamta, and Desh. They're all activated.
Ms. Kavita Kulashekharan, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. Welcome, ma'am. Ms. Kavita is a distinguished Montessori, serving as Director of Maka Montessori Learning Center and IMTC Elementary. She is also a member of the Indian Montessori Center's Board of Studies and the IMC Tamil Nadu chapter. Mrs. Kavita's passion for Montessori education began in 2003 when her daughter joined a Montessori school in Chennai. She pursued primary Montessori training from CMMC in 2004 and has since worked with various institutions including Abacus Montessori School and Cascade Montessori Learning Center. In 2013, ma'am founded Mata Montessori Learning Center with a mission of helping children rediscover the joy of learning. She also initiated several projects, including a newsletter and a monthly webinar, and facilitates a reading group focused on Montessori philosophy and believes that giving children the joy of learning is essential for creating a better world. She is committed to inspire future generations of learners and education. Once again, we welcome you, ma'am.
Earth and water and land, to the walls of the elements that can compare. All of the road and the stage they share, as sun and earth and water and land. The sun it comes up and day follows night. So the year has gone by with the sun's warmth and light. Time in time, the sun will remain. The seasons will pass again and again. Sun and earth and water and land, to the walls of the elements that can compare. All have a role and the same they share, as sun and earth and water and land. The mountain is still an imperious king, silently watching from winter to spring. Heavy and noble, stubborn and proud, dwells within and head in the clouds. Sun and earth and water and land, to the walls of the elements that can compare. All have a role and the shades they share, as sun and earth and water and land. As earth it dance toward and overseas, water it carries to you and to me. Up at the equator, down at the poles, round and round the earth it goes. Sun and earth and water and land, to the walls of the elements that can compare. All have a role and the same they share, as sun and earth and water and land. You know who wrote this song? The person who wrote this song is here. So Kandani wrote this song.
Thank you, Jane, for singing this song. It's lovely. You can't imagine how happy I was to listen to this song. I was like so completely proud of the album and it's great. Listening to it. This is not written by me. I myself taught me this song some 12, 13, 15 years before my teacher. And then I love that song so much that every time your teachers came with me, I used to sing this song and they loved that great song. So whenever I listen to this song, I remember my teacher. Your teacher is a special treatment. Like that. Thank you for singing this song. Make my day. Yes. I'm right.
Water, air, and land. Sun.
Without the sun, everything will be dark and cold. The sun helps us dry clothes. The sun also keeps us warm. Even plants and animals need the sun to survive. Air. We breathe in air. It also helps us fly kites. We even use air to blow balloons. Even plants and animals need air. Water. Water is used for swimming, drinking, bathing, and playing. Even factories use water. Plants and animals also need water. Land. Without land, no living things will be able to live. We need land to survive. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kalyan. First of all, congrats to Vruksha, all the students, teachers, the administration, to have such a very amazing open day. I think we learned a lot through the kids, and I think I'm sure that the kids are opening up, trying to learn everything and share their thoughts and everything to just not their parents but all the parents of other kids. I think it's a great exposure for the kids, and once again, congrats to Vruksha.
Takes to travel from sun to earth.
From sun to earth.
It takes 8 minutes. There are 4 types of galaxies: spiral, barred, irregular, elliptical. Sun takes 250 million years to go around our galaxy. Local group has 40 galaxies, in which our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy, which is spiral barred galaxy. It is just in one arm. Can I tell you what's a Milky Way galaxy?
Yeah.
Milky Way galaxy is a galaxy with so many white stars which look like milk is spilled, but it's only white stars. Our neighbor galaxy is Andromeda galaxy. The Milky Way will someday crash into Andromeda galaxy, but it will probably happen in 5 billion years. But if it even happens tomorrow, you won't notice it happening. The sun and planets don't get close to colliding. Thank you.
They don't collide. So we'll be safe.
Yes. I am going to present the topic checkerboard. So first, can I tell you a story?
Yes.
I I am going. That once there was a planet named. Data handling is fantastic. So in that planet there were many robots. And but there was an evil alien and said, "I will destroy this planet fully if you don't answer my question quickly." So the robots used the material to figure out the answer of the sum. So first we need to put like 5 here. Oh my god. 5 and 6 and 3. Then 5 times 7 is 35. What do you think my topic is? I will give you a clue. What do we see when we look up at the sky? Clouds. You're right. I'll be talking about clouds. Clouds are water droplets or ice crystals which are formed on the bottom part of the Earth's atmosphere. Clouds are formed when air rises due to heat and becomes water vapor. As air rises, it cools. Cooler air is heavier than warmer air. As it cools, it condenses. Condensation is when water vapor condenses into liquid. Let me tell you about cloud prefixes and suffixes. Cirrus clouds are the highest clouds and they're in a wisp of air. Alto clouds are high clouds, but the name is given to middle level clouds. Nimbo or nimbus clouds bring precipitation and they are rain bearing. Cumulus clouds are high piled up clouds. And stratus clouds are the lowest clouds. Low clouds don't have prefixes. Let me tell you about how they are used. I will name a few. Cirrostratus are the highest clouds. They are layered and flat. Altocumulus clouds are clouds which are made out of ice crystals. Altostratus is not here, but altostratus is grey or blue-grey colored clouds. Nimbostratus are rain-bearing clouds which are in the stratus. Let me tell you some special clouds. Contrails, orography, lenticular, and mammatus. Contrails are formed out of jets. Orography clouds are formed on top of mountains. Lenticular clouds are formed on top of mountains but after rain. And mammatus clouds are also formed after rain but heavier rain than lenticular clouds. Shall we play a game? Take any one card and see which cloud it is. No, this one, yeah, this one.
So yeah, we have come for open day for Vruksha Montessori. It's been happening every year. I've been coming from last year since my daughter is here. I think the kids are doing a great job. They're very clear on what they're explaining and they're very confident of what they're doing. I think the teachers and students have put in a lot of effort to bring this out and that can be seen in all their presentations. Well done, kids.
Hi, my name is Krishna. I'm Meher's mom. Grade 2 Sama. This is our second time visiting the open day, and I feel all the kids do an incredible job. The efforts that they put behind all the projects, the knowledge that they acquire doing the projects, it's outstanding, and it is a very, very, very nice.
Which we don't know what it is. We come to know through the kids. Okay, all these things exist. Okay, fine. And there's some things like the singular, the plural, and they have a different name. What it is. So it's like good to learn. It's for us also. We learn so many things.
And also the best part is that each and every project that they do is done by them. It's their own hard work, which they I think they give 2 months, the whole 2 months to their projects, and we can clearly see it. It's just too good and incredible. Yes,
Teachers are
yes,
like,
absolutely.
superb. They train them like, घर पे it's so difficult, for them to make them learn a single para. But at school, I don't know. The teachers just do it like this. So, hats off the teachers. Thank you.
These are which country? Yeah.
Nepal,
Okay.
Sri Lanka,
Oh.
Pakistan,
Good.
Good morning, my name is Madhulika from grade 1. Do you know what it is?
This is India flag. This is about flag you are telling.
Yes, this is a flag. It's a piece of clothing, country, or similar material. Displaying the goodwill of the country. We should respect the flag. We should not wear stamp or gold. The flag is simple, oblong, and attached to one place to stamp with the high flag. This is our flag. In the middle we have a flag. This is a flag. This is a soldier. Flag is a white color. These colors are translated. Let me tell you part of the flag. Lion,
Okay. Which country's flag? This you told Sri Lanka. This one?
Myanmar.
Oh, Myanmar. Okay. Which is that one? This one, China, Bhutan. That one? Afghanistan. This one, Shan.
China.
Hello, my name is Vidya. I have come here, and my daughter is studying in Vruksha school, and it's been great to see all the kids present new things, and the depth of knowledge is really good, and the way they are presenting confidently is really nice to see. Thank you.
Daily weather report for the day. Today, heavy rains are expected in 3 hours. The clouds are grey and big. Is expected to continue for the next 2 to 3 days. So please stay indoors, use your raincoat and umbrella. When you go out, that's all for now. Stay tuned for updates. Thank you.
Kinds of precipitations. Precipitation occurs when warm air pushes a vapor into the atmosphere. When it cools, the vapor condenses into water droplets. They can stay freezed in the atmosphere. Do you know the do you know the importance of precipitations?
Importance.
Of precipitations?
Has to precipitate, no?
Huh?
Only then we have water.
Yeah, we need water, and agriculture, industry, and human activities needs water. But some kind of precipitation harms objects like rain and snow cause flooding and accidents, and what is it called? Sleet and hail harms objects like trees, forests, plants, house, and power lines. And there's something called snow. Snow is formed as ice crystals. They're formed of ice crystals, and when they fall down, when they got melted, then they got snow. They were snowing, and there's something called grapple. Grapple is it's just like snow because it got formed of the ice crystal, but they're very small balls like this, very tiny. Even the snow, but snow is not, but the grapple is.
These are like balls.
Yeah, very small balls. They're very harmless. And sleet. Sleet is the mixture of rain and snow. They are like it's a mixture of rain and snow, and they're very small balls, but they're very harmful. Yeah, shower and rain. Shower and drizzle. The difference is showers is the most common precipitation because they are known as rain and they come from higher clouds. And drizzle is just like rain, but they come from low clouds and they're very small and goes one by one.
Now, what did we have last week?
Last week was rain, I think.
Shower or rain?
Shower, we can call it shower or we can call it rain. Freezing rain. Freezing rain is rain got freeze like this got freeze like when freeze rain like this. It's like this like an ice crystal. Yeah, it's like an ice crystal. When it touched the car, 1 second it got freeze.
My goodness.
Yeah, and do you know what's the most dangerous kind of precipitation?
What other?
Do you know what's the most dangerous kind of precipitations? Hail. Hail is the most dangerous, harmful thing because they got formed of the thunderstorm, the cumulonimbus. See, they got formed because when they got formed, they were small ball. How they got formed? By the moisture, water droplets. So when it fall down, then the breeze comes, and then when it pushes, the breeze pushes and comes and come inside the hail. And then the moisture inside, you can make hail bigger. That's how the hair got formed. So it all became bigger. Yeah, because of these droplets are made bigger. Yeah, the hair is bigger and it falls down like this and pushes. Yeah, but not yet because pushing still because there's not they're very small still. When it pushes and then when like this much like this biggest and then it goes down and then the breeze is going to push it but it's too heavy and then they fall down and when they hit the ground of the earth they're known as hailstones. These are hailstones. Yeah, hail. See, they were very big. They were like,
As big as a coin.
yeah, showing the biggest of coin. And there ice crystals. Ice crystals are known as diamond dust because they're common polar region and they're made in dust particles and they look like diamonds and they come in polar region and there's something and global warming. Why it's called global warming? Because global warming is a global precipitation that like cause something like for example a mountain that's very icy very cold out there and when there's no precipitation it starts to melt and we're going to get precipitation but when it melts there's something like water because it evaporated and then now the whole earth got flooded by the mountain of the precipitation. That's why it's called global warming. Thank you.
Did it happen recently?
Huh?
Did it happen recently?
I didn't know it didn't happen, but I know it came like it's. I heard like that.
You know what happened in Wayanad?
Huh?
Wayanad.
Right.
Some days before.
Okay. Huh? Okay.
Whole village was washed away.
Was down.
Houses were buried under the. It happened on a mountain. So was it like that?
Is it icy mountain? Maybe it's
On an icy mountain, all the ice melts.
yes. It got melted. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well explained.
Thank you. Constellations are like a game of connecting dots. Fun facts: constellations are used as landmarks. They're usually used as navigation, agriculture, astronomy, and literature. The largest constellation is Hydra, and the smallest constellation is Crux. Constellations move east to west. Most constellations are found in ancient Greek. I'm collecting information. This is my data which I get differently and how many people visited. Data is a collection of facts, numbers, name, and description on that is collected. Data handling is the process of collecting, organizing, and presenting. Today, with the help of data, we'll learn more about planets. Mercury. Mercury is 36 million miles away from the Sun. It is 67 million miles away from the Sun. Earth is 93 million miles away from the Sun and Mars is 142 million miles from the Sun. Jupiter is 483 million miles away from the Sun. Saturn is 888 million miles away from the Sun. And Uranus is 1784 million miles away from the Sun. Neptune is 2794 million miles from the Sun. Now, we'll take out the planet size. Mercury is just 1/3 the size of Earth. Venus is slightly smaller than Earth. Earth is 12,755 kilometers. Mars is half the size of Earth. You can fit 11 Earths inside Jupiter, which is 11 times the size of Earth. And Saturn is 9 times the size of Earth. Uranus is 4 times the size of Earth. And Neptune is almost 4 times the size of Earth. Which means that Neptune and Uranus are almost the same size. Now we will check out the rotation time. Rotation time means one rotation means there's axis and when it completes doing one circle, which makes it one day. So Mercury is 59 Earth days, just 1 year, 1 day for them. And Venus is 243 Earth days. And then Earth is 24 hours. Mars is 24 hours but 37 minutes extra. Yeah, little extra. Jupiter is only 9 hours and 55 minutes. Saturn is 10 hours and 13 minutes. Uranus is 17 hours and 2 minutes. And then Neptune is 16 hours and 17 minutes. Now we'll go to the revolution time. Revolution time is if the sun is in the middle and then one of the if take example Earth, when it completes one full round around the sun, we call it a year, which is revolution. Now Mercury, 88 days long for 1 year.
Only 88.
Yeah, only 88 days. And then Venus is 225 days. And then Earth is 365 days. Mars is 687 days.
Double.
Double, yeah. Jupiter is 4,343 days.
Very slow.
And then Saturn is 10,759 Earth days long.
Becoming slower.
Yes, it becomes slower. And then Uranus is 30,684 million miles away. I mean,
I may
Earth
not
days
be able
long.
to see my birthday if I live there, no?
Yes.
One birthday also.
Yes. Neptune is 60,190
190.
Earth days long for 1 year.
Too much.
Now let's go to the number of moons. Mercury has 0 moons. Venus has 0 moons. Earth has 1 moon. Mars has 2 moons. But Jupiter has 62 moons.
My God. All bright nights, no?
Yes. Saturn has 53 moons. Uranus has 21 moons. And Neptune has 13 moons. Now, can I ask you some questions based on these?
I'll try to answer.
Okay. What is the difference of the moons between Jupiter and, should I give you easy questions?
Easy.
And Saturn.
And Saturn.
Yes.
Jupiter and Saturn. So that is 9.
Yes. And now Uranus and Neptune.
I know the 13 twos are 26. So it's not 13. Huh? How many?
It's 8.
8 only.
Yeah. 13 plus 8 equals to 21. Now I'll ask you the revolution. The difference between this, which is Neptune, and
Look at here and ask us a question.
Neptune and Earth.
Difference between Earth days,
Neptune and Earth. Revolution time, 1 year.
Too much, I can't answer.
I should
60,190. 365, I can't subtract. I don't.
It is possible. You can do it. So you just have to write 365 under this, which makes it, you have to write 5 here, remainder 1, which makes it 9 minus 8, which is 1, and 3, you have to take out 3, 1 from this, which makes it 9, and the answer is 59,815.
Amazing.
Now, use onomatopic words to catch the reader's attention and create rich soundscapes. The sheep went baa. Baa is the onomatopoeia here because that's the sound the sheep makes and that's the word to imitate it. The fire crackle. Crackle is the onomatopoeia in this sentence because that's the sound it makes when the fire is on. My friend jumped into the water. The water splashed on me. Splash is the onomatopoeia here because that's the sound it makes when someone jumps into the water. Now I will ask you a quiz about onomatopoeia. I was rowing the boat and my sticks made the sound splish splash. Can you find the onomatopoeia here? Correct. Splish splash is the onomatopoeia in this sentence. I was going on the car with my window open and I heard the wind whoosh. Can you find the onomatopoeia here? Yes. Whoosh is the onomatopoeia here. I was walking on the road when I heard the earth rumble. Can you find the onomatopoeia here? Yes, rumble is the onomatopoeia in this sentence. Now I will tell you about some two fun facts. The longest onomatopoeic word is tata-rat-tat-tat, which is used for knock on the door. This is also the longest palindrome. Japanese people use onomatopoeia thrice as more as us. If you want to refer to more onomatopoeic words, you can see the chart. Thank you.
Amazing, no? Rudra. So we use a lot of onomatopoeia when we constantly talk. அவன் புஷ்ஷுன்னு வந்தான் நலக்ஸ்ன்னு கெஞ்சி அப்படின்னு ஏதாவது ஒன்று சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும் நிறைய onomatopoeia தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறான்
Yes.
ஜாலியாக தான் இருக்கும் தேங்க்யூ
Welcome. I'll break this. What? What? You think you're dumb? For Saveri. But do you know what is appleshare?
air pressure on us, like how exams put pressure on us.
No.
No, something like that.
Air pressure is the weight of the air molecules pressing down on the earth. The pressure of the air molecules changes as you move upward from the sea level all the way to the atmosphere. The highest pressure is at the sea level, where air pressure is the greatest. Some people are measuring air pressure on Hawaii. The first picture was taken at 14,000 feet at Mauna Kea Observatory when the bottle was sealed. Second picture was taken at 9,000 feet of the sealed bottle. Third picture, which is also the last picture, was taken at 1,000 feet when the bottle was crushed. On Earth, there's almost a ton of air pressure pressing on every square inch of our body. The reason we can move our hands is because the pressure is equal on all parts of our hands. The reason our body is not collapsed is because there's equal pressure inside and outside of our body. There's one more example I would like to tell. Air pressure becomes less. If you go up and down a mountain, your ears pop. The reason your ears pop is because your ears are adjusting to the pressure, so they won't burst. An instrument to measure air pressure is called barometer. Now, I'm going to show an experiment about how air exerts pressure. You see, this is a filled water bottle with a straw inside it, but there's no water coming out of the straw. Why?
Air outside pushing it in.
No, this is because there's no air inside it. Now look what happens when I open this.
Good for you.
So, you see, when I open this lid, air first enters the water bottle and starts to pressurize the water inside this. And then the water came through the straw, and that is air pressure. Thank you.
What's your name?
Advaita.
Okay, so now pressure from outside push the water. You know what? What class are you in?
4.
When I was in 4th standard, I did the same experiment.
Oh, really?
Really? For the open day.
Oh. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Sapramayan from grade 3 Sama. Today I'm going to talk about collective nouns of animals and birds. Company of parrots, a crowd of bats, a pack of wolves, a pride of lions, a school of fish, a murder of crows, parliament of owls, a herd of elephants, a cardinal of camels, a float of whales, army of caterpillar, gaggle of geese, a tower of giraffe, a team of horse, a colony of fans, a pod of dolphins. Thank you. नमस्ते, मेरा नाम शिव भरत है। मैं कक्षा 4 सहाना में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं पदार्थ की अवस्थाओं के बारे में बात करूँगा। आइए जानते हैं कि पदार्थ क्या है। कोई भी वस्तु जिसमें भार होता है और जो जगह छेदती है उसे पदार्थ कहते हैं।
भार होता है और
आकार, और जो जगह छेदती है और आकार होता है। या उसे पदार्थ कहते हैं, चाहे वो सजीव हो या निर्जीव। कैन बी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग, जैसे मेज, कुर्सी, पानी, बोतल, कागज यानी कि पेपर, और हम भी, यह सब कुछ पदार्थ ही हैं।
हम लोग पदार्थ हैं।
या वी आर मैटर।
पदार्थ।
धरती की सारे तत्व पदार्थ है। एलिमेंट्स आर ऑल मैटर। जैसे जीवन की सबसे छोटी इकाई कोशिका होती है, वैसे ही पदार्थ की सबसे छोटी इकाई अणु कहते हैं। पदार्थ कई सारे अणुओं से मिलकर बना होता है। मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स। अणुओं को हम आंखों से नहीं देख सकते हैं। We cannot see molecules from bare eyes. We can only see it from a microscope. पदार्थ की 3 अवस्था होती है। ठोस यानी कि सॉलिड, जैसे खिलौने, जानवरों, गाड़ी, यह सब कुछ, और हम, यह सब कुछ ठोस है। तरल, तरल यानी कि लिक्विड, जैसे शरबत, पानी, दूध, और यह सब कुछ तरल है। या एग्जैक्टली। गैस, गैस जैसे गैस, यानी कि गैस, जैसे हवा, भाप, और प्राणवायु, जैसे प्राणवायु जो हम सांस लेते हैं। ठोस, ठोस अवस्था में पदार्थ का भार और आकार दोनों निश्चित होते हैं। तरल, तरल अवस्था में पदार्थ का भार निश्चित होता है, पर पदार्थ का आकार अनिश्चित होता है। गैस, गैसीय अवस्था में पदार्थ का भार और आकार दोनों अनिश्चित होते हैं। पदार्थ एक अवस्था से दूसरी अवस्था में बदल सकता है। जैसे यह पानी है, यह पदार्थ का तरल अवस्था है। जब हम इसे ठंडा करते हैं, तब यह जमकर बर्फ बन जाता है। यह पदार्थ का ठोस अवस्था होता है। किंतु जब हम इसे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म करते हैं, तब यह पिघलकर धीरे धीरे पानी बन जाता है, और ज़्यादा गर्म करने पर भाप बन जाता, यानी कि वेपर बन जाता है। यह पदार्थ का गैसीय अवस्था है। धन्यवाद। धन्यवाद।
और जो शब्द का इस्तेमाल था ना, वो भी बहुत अच्छे थे।
Hi, I am father of Lakshya Shri, studying second grade, and I have come here for the open day. And I think Vruksha Montessori School has done a great job in terms of categorizing and also taking care of the kids to ensure that they are knowledgeable, they have crisp knowledge on the topic that they are talking on. And the delivery by most of them, I went to 5-6 kids, and the delivery by most of them was very nice. Uh, they were knowing a lot of things, and I think by doing this, you are expanding the knowledge to a great extent, and I believe it will be of great help. Thanks to Jayashree ma'am and Nandini ma'am. So keep up the good work. Thank you.